Why does your scanner show the P2789 engine code? What does it mean? P2789 is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch adaptive learning at limit. This engine code indicates that it means the TCM has detected that the clutch's adaptive learning process has reached its limit and is no longer able to adapt to the driver's input. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Internal transmission issues, transmission control module (TCM) problems, fluid-related issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Nissan, Ford, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.